Dishwasher's probably one of the best dishwashers on the market at the moment, according to various test sites. It's a Bosch. You've got a full stainless steel tub here, no bits of plastic around the sides here, still from the German factory. It's got Zeolith drying system, which is a heat recycling system, which makes it energy efficient, but is very good at drying, as well as being a superb dishwasher in just about every way. B energy rating, tablet catching, middle basket, nothing unusual about that. And then the cutlery tray at the top there. So it really is a dishwasher that works really, really well. I think one of the reviewers summed it up. Cons, nothing worth mentioning, which is kind of all anyone ever wants, really, isn't it? Complete with a manufacturer's 5-year parts and labour guarantee if you bother to register it. And my favourite little gadget is when it's all closed up, that's the control panel there, it has something called TimeLight. So rather than just getting a red light on the floor to tell you it's on, actually tells you in minutes and hours how long your program's got left to run. So if you're about to go out, you can see if you've got 10 minutes left or an hour and 10 minutes left, and it will project that down onto any floor. I don't think it'll work terribly well here. I think it'll be too dim for you to see it. You obviously get the standard readout here, and you've got all the normal programs you'd expect it to have. The Eco, for people who want to count the pennies as much as they can. Auto, for those who just want the simplest wash. Intensive, Express, Silence if it's in a kitchen diner, and you can even do it from a smart application if you want to, but you don't need to. Can we get anything on the floor by way of the TimeLight? Sometimes it's middle cycle. No, but it projects it down here onto a clear surface. That's that machine there.